In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on Poco C75. Go in settings, simply scroll down, go in apps, tap on app lock, tap on turn on. Now draw a pattern. Draw a pattern again to confirm. Simply tap on next. Now if you want to sign in your Xiaomi account, then you can simply tap on sign in. If you don't want to log in Xiaomi account, then you can simply tap on not now. Tap on not now again. Now app lock selected my apps, so I will simply tap on use app lock. It is saying to add a fingerprint lock. I will simply tap on cancel. As you can see, all my application is locked now. Now let's open YouTube. As you can see, lock is showing on the YouTube. Now let's disable the YouTube from here. Now again I will open the YouTube. As you can see, YouTube is open. So this is how you can lock apps on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.